Okay, guys, we're all recording. Go on TikTok and find his channel. What's your channel name? Not channel name, TikTok name.
I don't have one.
Bro.
No.
Well, how do you not
I'm gonna
have
start
one?
it.
Make it GL8. No, you like a gamer tag and then AC.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna change my game attack. I'm just gonna put Mano Bro.
Mano bro, that's just don't.
Do you know what it is?
I think.
It's just bro in Portuguese. Mano Bro, so it's technically bro. Mano Bro.
Just do Mano AC.
Mano AC. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll put Mano AC then.
Okay, so guys, go check out that guy, and
Mano
Reese?
AC on TikTok.
Yeah.
Wait, you're doing a TikTok as well, aren't you? Your YouTube is Night AC, and your TikTok is.
No, it's not. It's just night, bro.
Well, I thought you said you're gonna change it.
I'm not even recording yet.
Bro, what? I'm recording.
I'm not recording until the thing starts, bro.
Okay. So, and also my TikTok is Zeno AC. Well, it's gonna be. I'm making a TikTok soon, so you guys can check that out. And please subscribe, because we're all trying to, like, get to our goal, which is pretty much a lot of subs. So, like, I don't know, like 10k maybe. Yeah. Okay, let's start. This is gonna be Manhunt.
Alright.
He's gonna be getting us. If we get caught, then we have to help him.
Join him.
Alright.
Okay, he's giving us 20 seconds. Ready?
Yeah.
Have you started recording?
Yeah, I'm going.
Where are you?
Yeah.
Okay, this is
We're gonna stick
Manhunt.
together,
Tell
we have
them
to stick
this is
together.
Manhunt. Tell your viewers. Okay, let's go. Quick.
We gotta stick together.
Follow me.
Together.
Where is he? Okay, quick. We're gonna go all the way to. You'll see. Wait, can you get out of the map still or no?
I don't know. Let's just go quick. Because he was like start running at any moment, and he probably heard the rockets.
Where do we go?
Like this.
Wait for me.
Go. Okay. Bro, I like lost my house. Okay, okay. Go back.
Okay, quick. We need to go. I know for a fact he's using the gadget thing.
Tablet to like know where we are.
Quick.
You ready or not yet?
Okay, where do we go? Put your hands up in the air. My control is broken, bro. Gee, where are you?
Right here. Just turn the corner. There you are. Get with the rock guy.
How? Just come here.
Just, like, go
We need to
around.
go here.
Go.
Bro, my control is actually broken. I hear him. Go. Run.
Go.
Take one of this.
We don't really need our grapplers.
Take it.
Okay, go.
Follow me.
I can hear his hook shot.
Yeah, same. Follow me.
Wait.
I don't know where I'm going, to be honest. Nope. Don't go there.
We can go.
Follow me. Quick.
Down here.
Come here, bro. Oh my god, Guy.
Where?
He's right here. Quick, run.
One down.
Controller. I can hear them. I'm dead. I'm gonna die to these guys, bro. Oh, I see my terrier.
You go check other map. No check landmine.
Or stop being broken. So lucky.
Reese, he's back here. He's giant. Come back, come back, come back. He's giant. He's a giant. He's a giant. I'm coming.
Bro, it's so laggy and loud. Make me small,
Bro,
make me
your
small.
voice is so.
Make me small. Make me small then. That took so long.
Kill him.
Nice, and he's cheating.
Well, that was a pretty fast manhunt. Yeah.
Bro, and Gee's cheating, and Gee's cheating.
How?
You literally just looked at this.
He's
Bruh,
actually supposed
no.
to help me.
You know how I found you? I found you because I literally was climbing because I heard
Yeah, but
hook
you
shots and it
literally
came
looked
out
at
of
this
nowhere.
just now.
No, I looked at it because I was like, is she on here? Because I found this on Plug, but I didn't see you. Because it was out of map, so it didn't really matter. Oh. Okay, are we doing next round?
Yeah. Where's my grappler?
Since I was out first,
Reese,
I
where's my
guess I'll
grappler?
be next.
No, I killed you, and it flew away.
Yeah, you literally just killed him. And...
Hold on, guys. I'm gonna try to find my grappler real quick. Bro, it was so laggy. Gee's going first because he got caught first. Bro, my controller. Oh my god. So laggy when I
So
record.
we're not allowed the tablets, I guess. So yeah. Okay. Tell me when you guys are ready. I'm gonna
Reese, where
start
are you?
counting.
Oh,
When you're ready.
Reese, I know where we're gonna go.
Where?
You'll see.
You're gonna go to the
Oh, yeah.
same spot. I watched you last time. I know where you're going.
Okay, just follow me, Reese.
I've only got 9 more hook shots.
Just take this. It's fine. I might give you one. If I don't know how much I have. We'll see. But Gee, you're not allowed to look though. Go down there.
Wait,
Look there.
I was still doing that rule where if I say hello, you have to say hello back.
No,
Yeah.
because we didn't even do it. It's just bar. Okay, follow me.
Oh.
Wait, he's gonna take this, bro.
Alright, so this time it's my turn.
Can I count now?
Run away from him now.
No.
First. Wait until he's ready.
Reese, come here. I need to tell you. I mean, it doesn't matter. You'll just see. Okay, follow me. You can start counting. Let go.
Okay.
Follow me, quick. Don't use a grappler. Stop.
10,
Follow me. Swear, don't die by the landmines, bro, please.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, we're just literally gonna stay in here. If he knows that we're here, he's cheating, by the way. Where can we hide? Here, here, here.
I'm gonna hide in the top of this.
Shh, he's right here.
That's real home.
Turn your light off. Be quiet, be quiet.
Okay.
I hear him, I hear him. Wait, where is he?
I don't know.
He's not on my map.
Is he going a different way?
I can hear him. Bro, my control is so broken.
We can't camp here all game.
Says who?
Says me. There's a little thing. Let's go.
Wait, wait, let me get my stuff.
What are you doing?
Where do you want to go?
See you later. Anyway, just away from him, come on.
Why do you want to go away?
Because it's just better.
Come back, wait, wait, come back. Wait for me, wait for me.
Alright.
Wait for me. Quick, quick.
He's coming, he's coming, he's coming.
Where do you want to go?
I don't know.
What do you mean he's coming?
I could hear him.
Where do you want to go? But this
I don't
if
know.
we just stay here, he's never gonna find us. No, quick, run, run, run. I know where he is, I know where he is, I know where he is. Take one, take one, take one.
Where are you?
Reese, where are you, where are you?
Come back.
Reese, Reese, Reese.
Yeah?
That was funny. That's content.
Coming back where?
Reese, 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 Reese. I saw him when I
None of your
died.
business.
I saw him when I died.
Where was...
I don't know how I saw him, but he's in sewers. He's in sewers. Idiot. No, he just did that on purpose. You did that on purpose,
Freaking idiot.
bro.
You did,
Don't
you
don't
killed
use,
me.
You killed me, bro.
Where are you guys?
Oh, shh. Light. You light.
Where's my light? Where's my light?
Right, I think I
Are
should
you going to zero gravity?
Yeah. Where should we go? Just stay here.
There's an ogre lives around here.
You guys got landmines?
Yeah, we are. By the way, that's not a lie. It's an actual, real. We're actually there.
Yeah, we're actually here.
Wait, you guys are going to haunted house?
Yeah, we are.
Maybe.
Go back, go back.
No, bro, he's gonna come this way.
Exactly.
Go to
So we're
corner,
gonna
show
run.
us the
So we're
car.
gonna go away
We're gonna
from
come
here.
all the way back, bro. I'm all the way here at the icy parkour area.
What time?
Where'd you go?
Let's go to the chicken area. Go to the chicken area.
I can't hear
Well,
grappling.
he's gonna know that we're here. Oh, he can hear our grapplers.
Okay, who's grappling so much?
What are we gonna do here? Stop, bro! Now you're just making him know where we are. Letting him know where we are.
But it's fun, bro. Getting chased is
I
the
know-
fun part.
Not really, because I don't want him to find us. I know how we can just get out, run away. Just jump down right now. Just die right here, and then we'll get our stuff back later.
No.
What do you mean no?
How?
I don't know. Just place our stuff like here.
Bro, he said he was in the icy parkour, bro.
Okay, let me die first.
He was at
and
the
I'll
parkour.
I don't know how, but I'll be able to see where he is.
Die.
Stay there, stay there. I'll
You-
tell you
not
on watch. I'll
spectator,
come
by
back.
the
I'll
way.
come back. Reese, run, run. Take my stuff somehow. I don't know, just run. Don't take my stuff. Run.
No.
What?
He's coming my way.
I know.
Dude, you die.
No.
Yeah, you did. Join in.
How'd you know?
Hi, David.
No! Reese, run, he's chasing me!
How'd you block?
Oh wait, you're still alive.
Does that mean you technically lost?
Yeah, you technically lost, bro. You died.
Well, no. We both died already, mate. No, because it's if he kills us.
Well, yeah, but it was chasing you.
Yeah, and I killed myself on purpose.
Stop lying, man.
Ig. I think we should make it easier, because, like, yeah, my battery's low and I want to be this thingy as well. Shall we just switch now?
No, bro,
Reese,
right now.
Reese, I'm right here. Reese, look behind you.
He's also here.
Reese, I'm behind you. Go all the way up, I'm there. I'm right behind you. Wait for me. Bro, you're being too loud and you're running away.
Bro, he was there, bro.
Where we're going then?
Bro, he was with you.
No. What do you mean? I don't even know where Guy is.
Guy, where are you? I'm next to the giant.
Reese, where are you? I can hear you grappling.
I'm in the first mimic pipes in sewers, bro.
That is such a lie.
You better come down here then.
Reese. I know how we can meet. Come to the place where people used to do war. Guy doesn't know where that is, trust me.
Right.
Like the walkers that we joined. Not in the... I think you know what I mean.
I do, but are we going fully in?
Yeah, I'm waiting for you, like at the start. Where are you?
Oh, just like my key.
Run! Bro, he tried to explode me when he killed himself.
I just killed myself.
Use it. Where we're gonna go? You know where we are, at least.
No.
Office.
No, don't tell him.
Bro. He's not gonna come in here on his own, bro.
Wait, how do we get out of here?
Oh, we should just hide in plain sight, bro. Just hide on these lanterns or something.
Oh yeah.
That's what I mean. Why have you come in here, bro? Because now we're cornered.
No, we're not. Oh no, he's gonna see that. Do you hear him?
No.
Stay right here where I am. Trust me. This is the best spot. Come on. He's coming. He's at the elevator.